In today's video, we want to build this Chrome extension, which let us analyze the current tab, so the current website here. In this case, the name is .ai. It gets the current title, and if we click on Generate SEO Title, it sends the whole content to Gemini and let it create a better title for it. So you can directly then use this title and use it for your page. So let's start. Okay, back in bolt.diy, we now go to the chat input, and I prepared a prompt for creating this Chrome extension. So it's not that much. So we have implement a Chrome extension that uses Google Gemini AI to enhance web page titles for better SEO and readability. So what else do we need? We want SVGs for icons because it can't create PNG files, and this would be messed up if we don't put this in. Then we want to make the API key for Gemini configurable. The API key should be hidden by default. We want a modern, clean UI. And I gave it here a curl as reference, so you can create this with ChatGPT or whatever, or get it directly from the Google Docs on how to call the Gemini API. So with this, we guarantee it can implement the API connection correctly. Then you just have to choose your provider and a model, and then we can hit go. While this is implementing, we can prepare a folder where we want to sync out the application. Then I'm here in my GitHub YouTube folder and created this Chrome extension YouTube folder. So it's empty, and we will, as soon as this is finished, we will sync out the files. So this is done now. So as you can see, just a few files here, nothing to build. There's no wide server needed. It's just a very simple Chrome extension. So we can now click sync files, then go to the Chrome extension YouTube, select this empty folder. Yes, allow view and save changes. And if I put this here, then you can see it now synced all files. And the next step is to load this plugin or this extension now in Chrome locally for testing. So you go to this URL, Chrome extensions, and then you can go here on top to load unpacked. Go to your folder, choose the folder, select folder, and as you can see, it now added the extension here. I have it twice because I built it before to show you in the intro, but this is our new plugin and it's now active. Let's deactivate the old one and then go back to the website. And you can see the plugin here. Let's see if it works. Yes, it's still working. Maybe we want to add here a copy button to quickly copy the optimized title. So let's do this as well. Add a copy button for the new created title. We can also change the name of the extension maybe, so it differs from my first test. So let's wait until this is finished, and then we can change this manually. Just go to the manifest.json. Let's add YouTube here. And I think there's a second, no, nothing else. So let's just save this, sync this out. And then you have to go back to extensions and click here this refresh icon to reload, and you can check it out. Do I have the wrong one? Maybe let's quickly remove both. Oh no, we got some errors here. Let's just take this error, go back to bold, paste it in, Let's see if it can fix it. I can also show you how you can debug. So if you go here to your extension icon and right click it, then you can go to inspect pop-up, and then you get the DevTools for your extension. So you can log things there or get the errors here as well. Okay, let's go back to Bolt and see what it did. Okay, it finished implementing. Let's sync out again. Maybe let's quickly remove both plugins so we are sure it's clean. Load it again. And let's see how it looks like. I pin it again. Okay, we get, looks a little bit different now, but let's see how it works. Enhanced title. Okay, we don't have the API key set, so it removed this one. Let me quickly grab my API key and then we can configure it. Okay, we can go to the extensions, details. No, it's not. Where are the settings? Let's quickly implement a settings icon here as well. I think it was in the initial requests, but it did not implement it or removed it. No, it's configurable, but I missed the settings icon. Add a settings icon in the pop-up UI. Okay, it's done. Sync again. Reload the extension. And how does it look? Yeah, we got a settings icon now here. Let's click this. Can copy paste my API key, save. Okay, it's saved. So it's not pretty nice, but you can enhance this. So I want to quickly show you how to implement a simple plugin for Chrome and how to use it. So let's go back to Dynamis and now click Enhance Title. And it did not generate anything, but maybe that's a chance for us to debug a little bit more. So let's inspect and try again. And let me move this over. And as you can see here, we now got a bad request here. So let's see here. The API key is not valid. Maybe okay, maybe I did something wrong or copied the wrong one. Yeah, had something wrong in my cache. Save again. Go back and try again. No, still not working. Let's see. Pop up again. And we got a bad request. Oh, I got an old API key. Looks like this is not an active one. So let me quickly get a new API key. Okay, I got a new API key. I paste it in, save, and then let's try again. Enhance title, and now it is working. We can also copy. Let's try it out. Can we paste it here in the URL? Yes. So the copy button is working as well. And yeah, as you can see, this is working very nice. It's a simple extension, but you can extend this to your needs and yeah, very simply implement your own Chrome extensions for your needs. So let me know what you think. Does it work for you? Should I show something else? Maybe a more advanced example? Let me know in the comments and hope to see you in the next one. Bye.